What up, y'all? It's your homeboy Justin Locs. We back in my bathroom one more again, but we are not gonna stay here. I just want to give a little quick intro that if you have not seen last week's video, to do so. It's where I talk about how to get this cool little banging pineapple hairstyle. So watch that first before you get into the vlog of me going to NYC. So we made it to LaGuardia, y'all. We are in New York. See how this goes. Y'all, so I'm waiting for a Dexter, right? And there were like 3 police officers that were just walking by. And then one guy had this like, some type of AK-47 or something, you know, just casually walking through the airport. And then there's like 2 people who work at the airport trying to like find someone, and literally I get paranoid because the only reason people with guns is because there's something dangerous out there, right? So I'm thinking, what the hell is going on that you need that gun for? And why aren't you telling me? You know? So they went the other way, and I feel okay now, but like, I don't know, I literally get paranoid about that stuff because, you know, shit happens. But we gonna press on. I'm good now, I think. You can get my bag. So, this is so cool. It's so pretty.
It's beautiful. I thought that so I'm like, I don't know what to do.
Right, because it's like you can take different lenses and do different stuff with it.
Right.
Look at all the film. What's up, y'all? We are here at the BRIC space, about to see what's about to happen with this podcast thing. Let's see what's gonna happen. Let's see.
It's awesome, except that when they're taking live,
This is the space. This is where we will be. So today's been fun. You know, just casually in Brooklyn and whatnot. Hello, hey, how's it going? Y'all see those chairs over there? Ooh, Lord, don't let me spill my drink, Lord. That's where we're gonna be in the next 5 minutes. So, music is running right now. We gotta wait for the show to start in about 30 or so minutes, and we'll see how this goes. So we just got done with the live show. I will post the links in the video so you can check those out there. It's on Facebook Live. But it was really fun. Like, I had a good time. What did you think of it? This is my friend Kevin.
Hey, what's up?
I'm staying with him in Brooklyn right now. He's been so nice to let me crash at his place for the next 2 days.
Hey, it's an honor. So it was really incredible, and you're seriously the real deal. It took like years of us living in the same city together for me to actually see you doing your stuff.
Yeah.
But you came to New York, and I've seen it now.
I know. We went to the same high school, but we weren't in
did.
the same circle. He's 2 years younger than me.
Our parents actually live 2 blocks from each other
Right.
in the same small town in Kansas. So
It's crazy.
just kind of nuts, actually. We've never
Never.
ever, but
Ever.
so.
But yeah, the
New
show's
York.
over. This is the backdrop of where we are. And this is like the after show. You can see Franchesca over there and Pat's over there. I think Crystal has already left the building, maybe? I don't know where she's at. But it was fun. I had my microphone and I said what I needed to say. Hopefully I said the right things. And we'll see what happens. So I'm here with the lovely Franchesca Ramsey.
Oh my goodness, the man, the legend behind the Last Name Races theme song. In person!
In person. We just got done shooting the first live Last Name Basis podcast.
It was
amazing.
so good, and we couldn't have done it without Justin.
We're walking in Brooklyn right now. What part of Brooklyn are we in, actually?
This is like downtown Brooklyn.
Downtown Brooklyn.
Brooklyn Heights. Kind of.
Brooklyn Heights, Brooklyn. Walk across the street.
And it's so cold.
It is kind of chilly. I'm
is
actually
so
fine. This guy doesn't have much clothes on. Well, he's got
Yeah.
some clothes on.
I am so cold.
He's very cold.
I'm very cold.
Oh.
It's really windy.
Y'all, that show went good. I'm still smiling.
Oh, hold on.
I'm
a
still
second,
happy.
child.
What are you doing? What are you doing?
Hold on, child. Oh, you'll see what I'm doing. Hold on.
What is he doing? What is he
something.
doing?
Hold on. Because
Hold on, guys. He's doing
I'm
something.
doing something.
Why is he? Now we got lag. Okay, now we're on a reality TV show. So we are walking up Fulton Street.
Yeah.
Fulton. We're trying to find a Subway because we gotta go to this place. We gotta go to a bar and get some pizza.
Yes.
That's the mission. Bar and pizza.
Yes.
So, oh, that's an interesting McDonald's location. So that's what we gonna do. And yeah, I'm gonna talk to y'all later. I just want to enjoy this moment. All right, bye. Yeah. Gotta get this on here. Make a mini bitty blog.
You want me to hold it? Maybe? No?
Nah,
No?
I'm good. Oh, the sun.
Yeah.
There we go. I'm walking backwards right now in Prospect Park in the middle of Brooklyn? Yeah, we're in Brooklyn still. This trip has been crazy. Okay, so yesterday I don't know. I still am processing what yesterday was. So later you'll hear like the fullness of everything. But just like some quick things. Franchesca Ramsey is fucking awesome. Husband Patrick is stupid funny in like a weird goofy way. His mom is really nice. I met Nancy. I met his mom. She's really cool. I also met some like directors and producers at BRIC and was like intrigued by the whole process. And shout outs to BRIC and especially to Sasha. She's the she runs the whole show. She's like the main producer of the show and everything. So it was just cool. It was fun, yeah. But now I'm just getting to enjoy this amazing view in this park in Park Slope, Brooklyn. There's a little thingamabob, the Litchfield Villa. And then just look how pretty this is. Look how pretty! Oh, look at that. Look at that in the light. Oh my god. Oh my god. Do you see that? Oh my god. Now I've got something in my face. We're walking across the well, I was about to say the Golden Gate Bridge. The Brooklyn Bridge. Yeah. We're going from Brooklyn into Manhattan. It is 35 degrees out right now.
So cold.
It is so cold.
So cold.
But regardless of that, I wanted to see the Brooklyn Bridge before I head back to Kansas. So here we are. Oh my gosh, look at this craziness. There's the Manhattan Bridge way over there in all of its big athlete glory. So yeah. So that's what we're doing tonight. Yay! Guys, the longest escalator in my life I've ever seen. Oh damn.
So we need...
Okay. We are running right now. We are running to try and make this train. Ooh, almost fell. It's supposed to be here in like 5 minutes. And we were not trying to wait any longer because we tired, a little hungry, a little tipsy. I ain't trying to do all that. No, not me, not today. Y'all, tell me why we just ran to the train, right? Ran. All the way from a bar. We just left, what was it, a leather bar? A leather kink bar, of all places. So that was a story. The train says it's gonna be here at 2:16.
And it's not here.
It ain't here. What time
It's
is
not
it?
here. It's 2:20.
It's 2:20. We were here 4 minutes ago. The train ain't here.
It's not here.
Well, no, it's at 2:16.
It's at 2:16.
2:20, right?
Yeah.
And then it's at 2:20. So where it at though?
And now it's saying 2:36. So it'll probably be
2:36.
here between now and 2:36.
Could have watched the whole episode of SpongeBob at that time. Just saying. We're leaving New York. It's only been less than 48 hours, and we're already going back to Wichita. Although it was a short trip, it was a pretty fun trip. Like, yeah, so much has happened. So many fun things. There's also so many chill things, but we'll talk about that later. Talk about all of that later. Yeah, so it was such a fun trip. I am bad at vlogging because okay, this is the thing. I love to enjoy life and live life, and I don't like the whole thing with vlogging because it's like you literally have to remove yourself from the situation to vlog. I really like to just kind of live in the moment and live in that situation and experience it as it's happening in real time. So a lot of the stuff I didn't vlog. Obviously I didn't vlog the show because I can't just whip out my phone on stage and, start videotaping what's going on. But that's what the video and the podcast are for. So all those links will be available in the description box. Shout outs to first Kevin for taking those awesome photos for me, but most importantly, letting me crash at his place in Brooklyn for those 2 days. That meant a lot. I didn't have to pay a hotel stay or anything, and it was really cool hanging out with you for those 2 days. So thank you for hosting me in Brooklyn while I was there. Next, shout outs to Sasha, Matthias, for reaching out to me, and especially Franchesca, Ramsey, and Patrick Kondas of Last Name Basis for reaching out to me and offering me this amazing opportunity to DJ and be a small guest on their podcast, Last Name Basis. It was amazing. It was so awesome meeting you two and meeting everyone there, and I can't wait to see what other types of things that will happen in the future. If you want me back, let me know. I'm saving up some coins for the next flight already. I'm already trying to get my money together. Honestly, I am. But yes, it was just so fun. So yeah, even got to meet Patrick's mom. That was cool. Hi Nancy, if you're watching this, how are you doing? But yeah, it was just so fun. I think one of the things that I wanted to do, like, that wasn't on my bucket list, and I don't mean that in a bad way, but I always love meeting new people and just trying new things. Like, I don't want to be a person who's like at the end of their life had one career and worked at one place for like 40, 50 years and it's like, yay, congratulations, you get this like giant plaque for like your years of service to like some company or corporation. It's like, I want to be the person who builds a life of like multiple careers, like doing multiple things, which makes sense for me because I'm a person who has multiple interests, like music and acting and art and just creating, like any type of art medium I have an interest in. So I want to pursue as many areas of that in terms of career fields as I can. So yeah, I'm just happy for the opportunity. Like, it was really cool to meet them, to be in the show, to meet Crystal West, to meet different people at BRIC Arts. Yeah, it was just fun. And then like the biggest scoop on top of everything was just being in New York, like just being in the city. Funny enough, like while I was there, me and Kevin, we went out both nights. The first time we went to the Boiler Room, which is a gay bar. That was really nice. The drinks were great. Ian, the bartender, shout out to you, man. You got a good pouring hand. You pour exactly the right amount of rum in that punch. That's all I'm letting you know. And it was cool meeting some people. And then the next night we went to the Eagle, that kink leather bar. That was an experience. That is something that I will not tell y'all about. I'm gonna let you know that right now. Okay, that's gonna be an in-person conversation if we ever shall meet in the future, okay? But yeah, it was just great. Seeing the Brooklyn Bridge was amazing. Seeing different parts of Manhattan was awesome. Dollar Pizza is amazing. Oh my God, the Dollar Pizza. Especially when you like drunk at 4 a.m. and you want like a little slice of pepperoni pizza that's right across the street. We don't have that in Wichita. For one, we don't keep our bars up until 4 a.m., which is a disgrace. And then two, we don't have no dollar pizza in Wichita. We don't even have dollar tacos in Wichita. Wichita needs to get that shit together. That's all I'm saying. Anyway, I'm gonna wrap up this vlog. If you'd like to give it a thumbs up. Follow me on any other types of social media too. Okay, so hit me up there if you got any questions or comments. You can also leave stuff in the comment section below as well. But if you follow me on Instagram, I can't talk. If you follow me on Instagram or the Snapchat, that's where we can, you know, have more further conversations. It's quicker for me there to, you know, talk, converse, to conversate with y'all. So we can do that. And then of course, subscribe. If you've not subscribed already, click on that button. It's right below this video, or turn your phone sideways and then, you know, scroll down a bit and click it there, a little red button. And then icon, bell notification right next to it. Click that too, to let you know when there's another video. Like, what? So yeah, do that. And I guess that's it. So the last video is right up there. How to get this cool hairstyle that I'm wearing right here on my head, a little bag of pineapple. There's a playlist right there, more vlogs. You check that out. There's a little circle right here. Subscribe if you want to get more content. You can do that too. And I will see y'all next time when I see y'all, which will probably be next Monday because I'm trying to be more consistent. All right, keep it locked. I will see y'all. Peace and bye.